Alright, hey guys. I just got another quick video for you guys today. I'm going to be taking this old mirror that my mom's had for a while, and I'm just going to be giving it a nice gold spray painted metallic look to go in my room. So, keep you updated, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some 220 grit, and I'm just going to lightly sand this down because a lot of the veneer and the varnish that was on there is kind of off, so it's kind of just like it's stained with no clear coat on it. So I'm just gonna go around, I'm just gonna give it a quick sand, and then I'm gonna cover the mirror with paper because I don't want to take the mirror out because it's only held in with staples, and I just don't want to take the chance of the glass getting broken or something. So let me do that. Alright, so like I told you, I covered the whole thing with paper, and then I taped it down with some packing tape, just mostly because I didn't have masking tape, but it worked fine. Sometimes it'll stick to the glass, but this time it actually worked out fine, so that's good. So, just a quick side note though, you should probably sand it after you have it masked off because I didn't, and then I was having trouble getting the tape to stick. So just to keep that in mind. It's not a big deal, but just to keep that in mind. So the next thing I did was I started spraying the mirror. So once I started spraying it, I accidentally noticed that there was still some dust, even though I had wiped the wood down. So this spray paint I've noticed dries, it like tacks up really fast. So I was able to just take like my utility knife blade and quickly just wipe the dust off, and it didn't really disturb the paint. So that's just a small tip for you. So I ended up doing about 3 coats of the gold, and I didn't put a clear coat on because it's a mirror, it's not going to be outside, and I just like the way it looked without a clear coat. So after I did that, what I did was I flipped it over and just put a quick coat on the back. I didn't mask anything off just because it's the back of the frame. And I just did that so it would seal the back. Like I said, most of the varnish from when the frame was first finished was actually gone, probably just because of how old it is. So I just didn't want to leave the wood open to the air. Alright guys, so this is what the mirror looks like. I put it up and I got my little other mirror there with my plant, but it looks nice. So I hope you guys really like this video. I hope that it helps you if you want to do something like this, and I'll see y'all next time. Thanks guys, bye!